My sweater rings! Sis, I need to start looking like this every day. Then I won't be so depressed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, long time no see. I say that in between every video, but anyways. So, today is Christmas. Oh my god, I feel like I have to be quiet. So, today is Christmas Eve. I know I'm getting this tutorial up hella late, but I actually have an excuse this time, okay? I just did my makeup yesterday because my mom wanted to do like family Christmas photos or whatever, which is why I'm wearing this ugly sweater. But like, it turned out really, really good. And when I posted the pictures, everybody was like, oh my god, do a tutorial. Oh my god, do a tutorial. So this is like maximum glam, super extra holiday makeup. Like, I have glitter on my lips, my contour is extra snatch, I have these pins in my hair, my lashes almost touch my eyebrows. Like, this is full. Like, if you're not ready to be extra AF when you walk into the holiday party, then this look is not for you. You need to go find you a little natural makeup. So I actually tried out the Wet n Wild highlighter today. I heard about the Precious Petals one, but when I saw it, it was kind of silvery and I felt like that wouldn't be good for my complexion. So I got this one called Golden Flower Crown. Oh, no, we're not gonna show. Okay, it's called Golden Flower Crown, and y'all, look at this. Holy crap. That's the highlighter I'm wearing today, and honestly, I'm never going back to using another one in my life. So I wish y'all a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, yada yada yada. And I really hope y'all like this super last minute tutorial. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below whatever. I'm open to all comments, including whatever video ideas y'all want to see. And I also posted, if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, you should go follow me on Instagram because I'm filming a Q&A right after this. So if you want to go drop your questions on any of my social medias, I will leave them on the screen. And oh yeah, you guys didn't say hi to my Christmas tree. But yeah, y'all, this is super quick. It didn't take me that long. This actually took me like 20 minutes to do because I already knew what I was doing and it was just so much. So I really hope y'all enjoy the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Oh, when you subscribe, because you know after you watch this you're going to subscribe, don't forget to hit the little notification bell next to it so you can be notified every time I upload. I'm actually being consistent now, and that's a first. So yeah, I just feel so cute. I recently discovered I have a good side. This is my good side. Like, this side is cute too, but it's just not as cute as like this side of my face, you know? I don't know if it's because I part my hair on this side or whatever, but this is my good side. They're super easy to find, so I'm probably not going to link everything, but I'll link as much as I can. And yeah. Okay y'all, so I'm already primed my face, and then I'm going to be using this CoverGirl Stay Luminous foundation. Then I did my eyebrows off camera, but I didn't blend out the concealer yet because I wanted it to set a little. But now I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. And speaking of concealer, I'm mixing my LA Girl Pro and the Maybelline Fit Me concealer because I like the coverage of the LA Girl Pro, but I like the consistency of the Fit Me. So I just went ahead and mixed those together. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this AOA FX contour stick and blend out my contour, and then I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm gonna like pounce it all over my face so that I can get an even layer of whatever makeup. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the hard candy powder that I always use, and then before I set my face, I always blow off the excess because I feel like that gives you a more even application versus if you just put it on your face, it's gonna look kind of patchy, you know? And then when I'm done setting my under eyes and where I highlighted and stuff, I went ahead and use this big fluffy brush to blend it all together. So here I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm using those 3 colors that I pointed out. And I'm basically just applying those to my crease with the fluffy brush. It's basically like a brown crease you're going for, a transition shade, and then you can use a darker shade. So this is the new Wet n Wild highlight I was telling y'all about in the beginning of the video, and y'all can see I'm just so shook by how nice it is. But I know it looks a little powdery at first, but trust me, that goes away with setting spray. And then I also decided to highlight my inner corners underneath my eyebrows, as well as use my highlighter as eyeshadow, which I really liked how this turned out. And then I went back in with my same blending brush from before and I blended it together. So then I'm using this sparkly red blush from the e.l.f. blush palette. Spray, and then I like pounce the setting spray in. I can't just let setting spray sit on my face. I have to pounce it in. So this is the lip color that I'm using. This is this NK lip pencil in red. It actually turns out more of a fuchsia on me, but it's called red. And it's not really as pigmented as it normally is here because my lips were still kind of glossy. Whenever you're applying a lip liner, you want to make sure that your lips are completely matte so you can get full color payoff. And now I'm actually going to apply mascara for once in my life. Then the lip gloss that I'm using on top is, I'm sorry I got a really bad clip of this, but it's the LA Colors lip gloss in the shade Popsicle Dream. It's this really pretty pink with like gold flecks in it. And yeah, I just went ahead and changed into my Christmas sweater. And that's basically the whole look. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. You want to know what makeup I use, then go follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!